Send messages to clients automatically. Rather than manually sending the same status updates and instructions repeatedly, you can configure your pipeline to deliver messages automatically, keeping clients informed as their work progresses through your firm. The automation requires pipeline stages that automatically send messages when jobs enter them. When you add the send message automation to a stage, any job entering that stage immediately delivers your message to the client based on your template. The system simultaneously links that message thread to the job, maintaining connection between the communication and the work itself. Your message template defines what clients receive. If you don't have a template ready, you can create one while setting up the automation by selecting New Template directly from the automation settings. Templates work best for standard communications you send regularly. Welcome messages, organizer instructions, document requests, or status updates. These consistent messages can go out automatically as jobs progress, freeing your team from repetitive communication tasks. When adding the send message automation to a stage, you'll see the template settings, including who sends the message and who manages the conversation thread. These are configured in your chat template, and you'll see those settings reflected here. If you need to adjust these settings for this specific automation, you have two options. You can select Go to Template to edit the template itself, which changes how it works everywhere you use it. Or you can toggle on Customize to modify Sender just for this automation, without affecting the template elsewhere. When you customize the sender, you have three options. You can select a specific team member, which sends the message from that person. You can choose Job Assignee, which sends the message from whoever's currently assigned to the job. This keeps communication coming from the team member actually doing the work. Or you can select Role, which sends from whoever holds a specific role for this client, like their tax preparer, account manager, or reviewer. This maintains consistency when the same person handles specific responsibilities across all of a client's work. Next, you need to decide if automatically created message will be sent into the existing thread or create a new one. For your first pipeline stage, you'll typically want to select Create New Thread. This starts a fresh conversation specific to this job, giving clients a dedicated space to discuss this engagement. For subsequent stages, choose Reply to Latest Thread. This keeps all communication about the job in the same conversation, maintaining continuity and making it easier for both you and your clients to follow the complete discussion. The Automove feature completes the automation cycle. When enabled for a stage with message automation, jobs automatically move to the next stage once clients complete any tasks attached to the message. This keeps work flowing based on client completion rather than requiring manual monitoring. If your message doesn't include tasks, it's purely informational, the Automove feature doesn't wait for the message before progressing the job. Since informational messages don't require client action, they won't hold up your workflow.